Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We're back at it again with another upgrade to our bike. So let's check out what we have today. All right. So today we're going to work on our trail bike. And she looks good. So if you've seen our other videos, we've seen all the work that we've done to it. You know, all the upgrades we've done to this bike. And today, we're going to add just a nice little touch. See this dropper post lever? Well, we're going to change it. This is the dropper post lever that we're going to use. It's a race face and green, just like all our other parts, so it's gonna color match it really good. You see that up here, and yeah, it's gonna look really good on this bike. It's just the little touches that really makes the bike stand out. You know, it makes it a little more special, more personalized. So let's get it put on. Before we add the lever on, I'm thinking about adding this to our fleet. It's the YT2's Pro Race bike, the downhill bike. I like it, but we'll have to wait and see. All right, so before we show you what that dropper post lever looks like, I want to talk about this bike for a second. This is my downhill bike, my Airborne, and you can see all the work we've done to this one. This bike is just amazing. And we got a mud guard from Spank, and we're going to put it on this bike. We already shaped it. It's ready to go. And I think it's going to look really good. Let's check it out. All right. So for this mud guard, we need 4 zip ties. And we simply just put the zip tie through this hole and so on, and this one, and then we'll put it through this hole, and we'll do the same to this one. All right. So let's get it put on. All right, so we have our zip ties. We run it all the way around through the front here of the shock of the fork, and then around here. And then we simply just pull it and tighten it, and that's how you do it. And then that's how you do it. It's easy. And then we just cut the excess. And it's pretty simple. And there it is. It looks pretty good. It says Spank on it. It goes with all our components, all our Spank components. You know, it looks really good. Our seat, of course, our bars, our pedals. Yeah, it looks really good. So this bike, I mean, it looks really good, but it's missing something here in the front. A number plate. And this is the ODI Aaron Gwin signature number plate, and we're going to install this too. So this number plate is going to go, we'll have it go over these wires or these cables. Sorry about that. And we'll have it go on there like that. And the same thing as the mud guard or the fender, we'll use the zip ties to put it on. I came across this graphic. It was what was left over from the graphic kit of the bike. You see, it's what we used, and I think it's gonna look good if we put it on the number plate. We put it on there and then cut it out, trim it up. I think that's gonna look really good. All right, so we just put the graphic on the number plate, and now we just got to trim it and see how it comes out. All right, so we trimmed it. It looks pretty cool. I mean, later we'll get one printed out from Evoke Industries. Shout out to Angel. Or we might even go with Mint Print Media. My boy out there, Danny the Chicken Wing Ashbrook. But yeah, for now I think this is gonna look good. All right, it's on, and it looks pretty good if I say so myself. Let me know what you think. But let's check her out in the sun a little bit. All right, she looks great. So we added a little Maxxis decal on there, and we'll add a number on there. But yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment below. All right, so before we show you our trail bike, our upgrade that we did to it with that lever, please, if you would, subscribe to the channel for some great content. We're always working on different types of bikes, and I hope you like it. You know, we do this for you. So yeah, let's check out this bike. All right, there it is. It looks really good. This cockpit is nice, and it goes with the flow of the bike. Yeah, let me know what you think we should add to it. I think it's pretty much close to being done. And yeah, it just the right amount of green all over, you know. But this lever, it's great. And let's see, and it works. All right, so yeah, please subscribe and share the video, put that thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time.